Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. So we have another set of assignment on Sadhana book, short answers. Short answers 1 to 3 we have converted into fill in the blanks. So let's begin now. It's fill in the blanks. I will read for you. Plains are dash, dash and dash areas. You know, these are one sort of landforms, and you can understand plains, wherever you have plains, the population is more. Why population is more in the plains area? You have the rivers flowing there, you have the fertile soil there, and the transportation is very easily available in the plain areas. If you compare the landforms, plain and plateaus, plateaus you don't have more population, whereas plains you have more population. One reason can be, as I said, the fertile soil, and more agriculture is pronoun there, right? So let's begin here. Plains are dash, dash and dash. How the plains actually, the features of the plains, it is like flat, it is vast area, okay? So let's write here. Plains are flat, it is spread very vast, okay? Plains are flat, vast and low-lying areas, and low-lying areas. Is it clear? Coming to the next one. The deposit of dash soil is suitable for agriculture. So mostly if you find the river, wherever you have the, let it be a peninsular river or perennial river, you have alluvial soil which is very good for agriculture. What soil? Alluvial soil. If you just see alluvial soil, you no need to add any fertilizers there. It can be a chemical fertilizer, biofertilizer, anything. You no need to add. And all sort of crops can grow in the alluvial soil. If you're coming to the red soil, you need to add each, in red soil also all sort of crops, food crops can be grown, but provided you need to add some fertilizers in that, okay? Whereas alluvial, no need to add any fertilizers. Now coming to the third one, the dash plains in the northern part of India is one of the India's most fertile region. In the northern part of India, you have the Gangetic plains, right? The answer is Gangetic plains. The Gangetic plains in the northern part, which is fertile and which is very blessed with a natural soil. Okay, coming to the next one, the Gangetic plains is also called as, okay, the Gangetic plains is also called as, you know, if you see the southern part, the southern peninsular region, depending upon the weather condition and the heat and humidity, paddy is mostly grown in the southern part. Coming to the northern area, in the northern plains, you have the people, the farmers grow mostly there wheat. Wheat where in the west part of the India, where in Punjab and Haryana. When you talk about the eastern part, okay, you in the Uttar Pradesh, wheat is also grown and paddy is also grown. So you can say that the Gangetic plains is also called food bowl of India. Okay, most food crops are grown in the Indo-Gangetic plains. So it is called as food bowl of India. There's a reason India is called as agriculture country, right? Almost 70% of the people are depend on agriculture or farming. Okay, and this farming or agriculture comes under the primary sector. Okay, you are going to learn what are the sectors when you go to your higher classes. Coming to the fifth one, dash is a traditional outfit of the both male and female in Kashmir. Every state have a different costumes, and Kashmiri people, to protect themselves from the cold winds, they wear firanas. Firana is a long frock and long hands, and inside that they keep the kangris to protect themselves from the cold winds, okay? And this firanas is a traditional dress for both male and female. Firanas. It is called firan. Okay. Is it clear? Now coming to the next slide. The river deposit alluvial soil which is suitable for what? Okay, if you see the previous blank, this one, the deposit of alluvial soil is suitable for agriculture. The same question in a different manner. Here already the river deposit alluvial soil which is good for agriculture. Okay. Clear, children? Coming to the next one. The northern fertile plains stretch from dash in the west to dash in the east. The northern fertile plains stretch from Punjab in the west to the Assam in the east. Okay. So here from Punjab Punjab in the west to dash in the east, Assam. You know, Assam is blessed with fertile plains, but during the monsoon season, lot of farmer faces the problems there due to the Ganga river and the Brahmaputra river which overflows. You know, this is also one part of your, what you can as global warming. You know, a lot of farmers, you know, farmers, we think that farmers is a part of India, right? You know, without them, we actually can't sustain. No, October 2nd is the birthday even for the two famous leaders. One is for Mahatma Gandhi and another is the famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Lal Bahadur Shastri, right? We are given the importance to Jawan as well as the Kisan. Who is Jawan? Soldiers, okay? So Assam is blessed with the fertile soil, but during monsoons, they face a lot of problems. Coming to the 8th one, growing crops on the long, narrow terrace cut along the slopes of the mountains is known as dash farming. In the hilly areas of the west part of, east part of India, okay, the terrace farming is mostly grown. Why the farmers, you know, no one thought that on the hilly areas also the cropping can be happen. This happened due to avoid the soil erosion. So what sort of farming happens in the terrace is a terrace farming. The answer is terrace. And what sort of crops are grown there? The tea crops. Next, the terrace farming is practiced in dash valleys. Okay, you have Brahmaputra Valley where the terrace farming is mostly practiced. That's why Assam tea and Darjeeling teas, these all are very famous. Okay, Brahmaputra Valley. Brahmaputra Valley. Coming to the last one, terrace farming is generally practiced in dash areas. Terrace farming is generally practiced in hilly areas. If you see the eastern part of Brahmaputra Valley is a hilly area, and if you come to the southern part, Nilgiri Hills Nilgiri Hills always called as a triangle hills. Okay, it is a border of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. Okay, so you have Nilgiri teas also is very famous. So terrace farming is mostly practiced in hilly areas to avoid the soil erosion. Hilly areas. Assignment here, sadhana, long answers. What we did, long answers we converted into mapping skills. Why we have converted mapping skills? This is all about the map, and that they converted into question answers. So here you need to observe this map and try to complete the paragraphs. Remember here you have the Himalaya ranges, and Himalaya ranges stretch 2,400 kilometers and passes through the different countries. Here you can find Tibet, China, Nepal, Bhutan, definitely in India. Okay, but China is not all the part of China, only the southern part of China. Okay, let's complete the paragraph. The Himalayas stretch to about, as I said, 2,400 kilometers passing through northern India. It's not the whole India, it's only in the northern India. Southern China. Here you can see southern China. And what else you have? Nepal. Here Bhutan. And there's another country called Tibet. Okay, this is other countries where the Himalayas are stretched almost 2,400 kilometers. Now what makes Himalayas so special is that you have almost all the 9 highest peaks of the world in India. One is Mount Everest, right? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Next, if you talk about India, you have K2, you have Kanchenjunga. See here, K2 is the highest peak in India after when Jammu Kashmir, the POK, Pak occupied Kashmir, which is a part of India right now. So we consider K2 as the highest peak. Here you can see Kanchenjunga, it is in Sikkim. Okay, it is the second highest peak in India. First, we actually took Kanchenjunga as the highest peak, but provided that when POK is a part of India, we consider K2 as the highest peak. Now there is another highest peak of the world, it's a Mount Everest, right? So as I said, we have total 9 highest peak of the world in Himalaya ranges. The Himalayan enclosed dash of the highest peaks of the world. So how many highest peaks? 9. 9 of the highest peaks of the world you can find in Himalaya ranges. Next, go for the next slide. Here also you have the map and we need to complete the paragraph. The three divisions of northern plains are what? We already did the assignment on this. The northern plains are divided into three: Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, right? Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Let's write here. The three divisions of northern plains are Dash Basin and Ganga Basin. Already Ganga Basin is given for you here. So the three divisions of northern plains are, let me go for Satluj Basin and the Ganga Basin, and what is else remaining? We have Brahmaputra Basin. Brahmaputra Basin. Dash and Dash are located in the Satluj Basin. Now you need to observe which states are located in Satluj Basin. If you can see here, okay, Satluj Basin, it travels towards the west direction. Okay, Satluj. What is called Punjab? Punjab has got the name with the 5 tributaries of Satluj. Punjab, Panj, 5 rivers. Okay, so here Punjab and Haryana are located in the Satluj Basin. Okay, if you can observe very clearly here, Haryana and Punjab. So Punjab and Haryana. Punjab and Haryana are located in the Satluj Basin in the west part. If you can see very clearly. Okay, there's another question here. Dash and Dash, Dash, Dash are the some part of Dash are located in the Ganga Basin. How many states are located in Ganga Basin? Okay, if you can observe this, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Let's keep on writing. Okay, I've located in Satluj is over. Now we have to write here Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one. Bihar. Next we can write West Bengal. Okay, and Delhi also. Okay, Delhi also located in the some part of the Dash. What is some part of? If you can see here, little bit of Madhya Pradesh. Little bit of Madhya Pradesh also comes under the Ganga Basin. Madhya, nothing has been left. Some part of the Ganga Basin. So if you can see, little bit of here the northern Madhya Pradesh also covered under the Ganga Basin. Okay, here you can just, and next Dash, Dash and Dash are located in the Brahmaputra Basin. Brahmaputra is completely the east direction. Okay, so here I can find Assam here, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. That's how the Brahmaputra flows in this manner, right? So we have to write here Assam, here Arunachal Pradesh, I am writing in a short manner, and Meghalaya comes under the Brahmaputra Basin. Let me read again. The three divisions of northern plains are Satluj, Ganga is already given for you, and Brahmaputra. These three comes under the northern plains. Coming to the next, they are asking Satluj, under Satluj Basin, which states come under that? You have Punjab and Haryana comes under the Satluj Basin. Coming to the Ganga Basin, which states comes under the Ganga Basin? You have Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Delhi. These are the states which comes under the Ganga Basin. Coming to the last one, Brahmaputra Basin, which states comes under the, when Brahmaputra flows in the east, definitely the eastern states, right? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So with this, we complete the assignment, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.